Hi guys, it's Mike coming to you from Dean Team Service. Gonna just do a quick video on how to check your battery voltages. A lot of customers call in and have questions about their batteries and whatnot. You can buy one of these little battery voltage readers at Amazon, at O'Reilly's or AutoZone or Walmart even. They're not a whole lot of money. It's very easy to use, but you don't want to undervolt or overvolt whatever you're checking. On here, basically what you're going to want to do is just take your positive and your negative cable, and you're just going to go straight to one of the batteries on here. We're on a club card today. These are 8-volt batteries. They are fully, this is a fully charged card, so it is reading at 8.6 volts on this one battery. And then to check the entire pack, this is a 48-volt system. So what you're going to want to do is, and every cart will be set up differently. So your two batteries that are going into the cart is what you're looking for. Here we've got the red one, which is going into the cart in the back of the cart here, and then this negative cable, which is also going in here. So on this cart, I'm going to check these two batteries. And in this pack, we're going to want it to be at a minimum of 48 volts. With it being fully charged, we're showing 51.7 volts on this cart, showing that it's in good shape. But that's just a quick, easy way to check it. Going back to just checking your single, you're just going to go from 1 to 1, and it shows that you got 8.6 in that one too. So just a quick, short little video on how you can get in and check your battery voltage at a really easy way to do it, and not a whole lot of money to do it either. Thanks guys, have a great day.